Right, we stop.
Okay, introducing the left hand bowls. Three bowls all played in the same fashion. Closed bowls K, Ki, Ka. Place the left hand on the head drum and pivoting with the heel of your palm, lift the forefingers and just tap K, Ki, Ka. K, Ki, Ka. Keeping in mind the regular interval of striking K, Ki, Ka. Hence, you will develop your timing. K, Ki, Ka. K, Ki, Ka. K, Ki, Ka. K, Ki, Ka. Remember, these are three bowls given three different names K, Ki, Ka, but all executed in the same fashion K, Ki, Ka. Now we're going to introduce a second set of notes. Again, three bowls all played on the baya, and we play them with the long finger of our left hand by striking in this maidan. Again, resting the hand just on the outside of the sihai, rest the heel there, pivot your hand and strike with the long finger. Ge, gi, ga. Ge, gi, ga. Ge, gi, ga. Ge, gi, ga. Now you can appreciate this is an open bowl. Closed bowl was dampened. Ke, ki, ka. And the second set of bowls were open. Ge, gi, ga. Which we refer to as open bowls. Khula. Ge, gi, ga. Ge, gi, ga. Ge, gi, ga. So that completes the 6 bowls we introduce on the baya. Now we're going to look at the tabla, and we're going to introduce 2 very important bowls played on the kinari. How we start them is by resting our hand flat on the puri, lift the middle finger and pull your hand back into this position. Again, rest the hand, lift the middle finger and pull your hand back into this position. So the index finger is resting on the kinari, third finger is acting as a dampener on the sihai, just on the edge. Now I'm just going to demonstrate for you. If I don't use this third finger there, it gives a very open sound. But by resting and dampening this sound on the sihai there, I get a more melodious ta, na, ta, na. So let's introduce the 2 bowls again played in the same way, ta and na. Ta, na, ta, na, ta, na, ta, na. There are other bowls that we need to introduce on the tabla. The second one is ti, and that's played on the sur. Again, we execute this bowl in the same fashion, but just by moving our finger onto the sur. Ti, 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 ti. And now I'm going to introduce the bowl thin played across the sihai here. Again, positioning the hand in the same way, we brush our hand across the edge of the sihai. Thin, 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 thin. Now recapping the four bowls I introduced on the tabla, which were ta, na, and then ti, and then thin. We can make a small pattern with them. Ta, ti, tin, na. 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 Now, what we can do is introduce both hands into play. So the first set of bowls we learned were ke, ki, ka, and then the four bowls we learned on the tabla, we can start using and start developing our coordination with both left and the right hand. So going back to the first initial bowls on the baya, ke, ki, ka, and then introducing the four bowls on the tabla, ta, ti, tin, na. Ta, ti, tin, na. Ke, ki, ka. Ta, ti, tin, na. Ke, ki, ka. Ta, ti, tin, na. Ke, ki, ka. Ta, ti, tin, na. And then there was a second set of bowls which were open, ge, gi, ga. Again, for development of the coordination of your both hands, you can introduce the ge, gi, ga now. Ge, gi, ga. Ta, ti, tin, na. 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 Now we can alternate them. So starting with the closed bowls, ke, ki, ka. Ta, ti, tin, na. Ge, gi, ga. Ta, ti, tin, na. Ke, ki, ka. Ta, ti, tin, na. Ge, gi, ga. Ta, ti, tin, na.